Natapon John Kael. Let's call on his opponent, the fighter from the red corner. Here's the former Unified World Champion and the former 2-Division World Champion from Lanao del Norte of the Philippines, representing Sanban Boxing Gym, the Nightmare, Marlon Tapales.
Bayang magiliw, perlas ng silanganan, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Ladies and gentlemen, Midas Hotel and Casino here in Pasay City, the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, Sanban Boxing Promotions, in cooperation with Manny Pacquiao's MP Promotions, Knuckleheads Pro Boxing Fraternity, and Viva Promotions, also in coordination with the Asian Continental Super Bantamweight Championship, sponsored by Fairtex. Ladies and gentlemen, and this is sanctioned by the World Boxing Council Supervisor, Mr. Ed Cobanel, alongside with the Games and Amusements Board, Chairman Attorney Richard S. Farid, Chief of Pro Boxing and Honor Contact Sports, Ms. Jackie Lucacho Ornido. Ladies and gentlemen, the three judges at ringside. Scoring this contest in the 10-point must system will be Oliver Garcia, Robert Bridges, and Antonio Camilla. And when the bell rings, the referee in charge of the action, ladies and gentlemen, referee Gerald Tomeldan. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, wearing white with red, official weight 121.4 pounds. He has a professional record consisting of 11 victories, 3 defeats, with 7 of his victories coming by way of knockout. All the way from the country of Thailand, ladies and gentlemen, Natapon John Kael. And it's upon across the ring. Fighting out of the red corner, wearing black with silver. Official weight 119.6 pounds. He has a veteran professional record consisting of 37 victories, only 4 defeats, with 19 of his victories coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, after capturing the IBF and the WBA World Super Bantamweight title when he defeated the hard-hitting Murodjon Akmadalem, he has made history as the first Filipino to fight for the undisputed in the 4-belt era. Ladies and gentlemen, the former Unified World Champion and the former 2-Division World Champion from Lanao del Norte of the Philippines, from Sanban Boxing Gym of General Santos City, Harris, Marlon the Nightmare Tapales. Once again, to give instructions, here's Referee General Tomeldan.
Marlon, Natapon, this is for the
round number 1.
Pindong. Paano yung tarong na yung tao? Ay! 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 Thailand. Ayun! Ayun! Kabalot na ba?
just 2 minutes and 15 seconds of the very first round, we have a winner by technical knockout. And now the new WBC Asia Continental